This girl is on another level. Okay.
Family business.
So we've got a little trampoline in our basement, and she's 2, maybe just turned 2. She's jumping, and I notice she has something in her mouth. I'm like, probably not. Like, I'm not like a super overbearing protective dad. But I'm
not a good idea.
Probably not a good idea for a 2-year-old to jump with something in their mouth.
Uh-huh.
So I'm like, Stella, what is that? She goes, and she's jumping and kind of smiling. And then she sticks her tongue out, and she has a cough drop in her mouth.
Oh.
And I'm like, I don't think that would really harm her, but probably not a cough drop.
Yeah. That's
You know,
probably not what you're supposed to have.
Yeah, probably not. And before I can tell her anything, like she should or shouldn't have it, she goes, it's fine.
It's fine.
And that